How to change server on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change server on PUBG. Changing server on PUBG is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Setting. From the main menu, tap on the Setting button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the Basic tab. In the Setting menu, make sure you are in the Basic section. Change server. Scroll down to the server option, tap on it, and a list of available servers such as Asia, Europe, North America, etc. will appear. Select a new server. Choose the server within the best ping. Lower ping is better for performance, or select a server based on your preferred region. Confirm and restart. After selecting your desired server, the game may prompt you to restart to apply the changes. Confirm and restart the game for the server change to take effect. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change server on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.